Hey guys, today let's see how to make a papaya facial at home. Papaya is a food rich in beta-carotene filled with active enzymes and phytochemicals which are healthy for the skin. Applying papaya to the skin topically softens the skin and leaves it smooth and supple. So before we start doing a facial, let's take few papaya cubes and grind them into fine paste. Prepare at least half a bowl of this paste because we are gonna use this paste in all our steps. The first step is to cleanse your face. Cleanse your face thoroughly by removing the excess oil and impurities from the skin. To make a cleanser, take 1 tablespoon of raw milk, 1 tablespoon of papaya paste and mix it. Use a cotton ball and gently cleanse your face and neck. Once you have cleansed your face thoroughly, the next step is to scrub our face. Today I am going to make a gentle oat scrub with papaya, and this is ideal for sensitive skin. To make a scrub, add 1 tablespoon of papaya and 1 tablespoon of oats. You can even add finely grounded oats, but today I am adding as it is. After you have finished scrubbing, the next step is to prepare your skin for steaming. Steaming opens your pores and helps to remove blackheads easily. You can skip this step if you have no blackheads or you have recently removed it. Step 3 is to massage. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of papaya puree and gently massage this on your wet face for 10 minutes. By doing massage, the papaya absorbs easily into your skin and gives you a smooth and wrinkle-free skin. It provides a super soft and radiant effect on your dry and damaged skin. Step 4 is to apply a face mask. To make a brightening face mask, take 1 tablespoon of papaya puree. To that add 1 tablespoon of curd and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix well and apply in the upward direction on your face and neck. This is a great face pack for those with sun-damaged, dry, dull and aging skin. It purifies and nourishes your skin, breaks down damaged skin cells, adds natural brightness and glow to your skin. Leave this mask for 20 minutes and wash off with cold water. Finally, spray your favorite toner on your face. Today I am using a homemade cucumber and aloe vera toner. If you don't know how to do a cucumber toner, then kindly check the link in the description. Make sure you apply a good moisturizing cream to lock all the hydration and the goodness. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to comment your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.